Are you going to vote tomorrow?
Yes.
So who is your favorite?
It's a secret. I don't want to
What do you
say.
expect from the
I
snap
think
election?
they will vote Mitsotakis. Mr. Mitsotakis.
Do you think that he will be better from the government now?
No, I don't. I don't agree with his policy.
What do you expect from the next government?
Well, whatever the simple people expect, the exact opposite will come. Because the story keeps repeating itself. From 1974, since Nea Demokratia started as government, the country started going downstream. But the people didn't see the physical impacts that it would have later on in this year, in the next years to come.
I believe that these elections are very crucial, but the outcome is no one can expect something. It will be a battle.
Do you think that Mitsotakis will win on these elections?
I don't know. I believe that he will, but I'm not sure.
Do you think that Mr. Mitsotakis will win or Tsipras?
I don't know. Maybe Tsipras.
To be something better here, because we have a long time of crisis, economic crisis.
Do you think that maybe now you will change the government and New Democracy will come? Or
Yes, I'm sure, 100%. The new democracy will change everything here in Greece. Because Mitsotakis, he is very clever and I think he will make many good things.
In Greece, it's not very easy to have great expectations for something, but let's hope that something will change for the better.
who do you think will be the winner?
I can't really say. I cannot guess. We'll see. I think many people, especially in our age, will decide at the very last moment.